The case against a teenager accused of setting a deadly fire in Lockport is now going to trial. The teen is facing several charges, including criminally negligent homicide and arson.
He is accused of leaving his friend Joseph Phillips behind while that building went up in flames. Fire tore through the tire recycling plant last summer. It took firefighters several days to put it out completely. News 4's Jen Shantz has more on what happened in court today. Jen?
Well, Jackie, Don, the session lasted about 10 minutes. The purpose of today was to determine whether or not a plea agreement would be reached. Both the defense and the prosecution told Judge Batt that it couldn't be, so he scheduled a fact-finding hearing for the end of next month. In family court terms, that's basically a trial. It'll take 2 days, during which time witnesses will be called and evidence will be presented before Judge Batt. If the defense can prove the allegations against the teen aren't substantial enough, the judge could then throw the case out, and this would all be over. However, if the allegations against the boy hold up, then he would be considered a juvenile delinquent, and a dispositional hearing would then take place, where the judge would decide how to move forward, which could include time at a juvenile facility. We spoke to defense attorney ANGELO DIMILLO after court wrapped up today.
About how many witnesses you're planning to call?
Probably 2.
Will your defendant testify?
Probably not, because he gave a full and complete statement when he talked to the police the night of the fire. He lost his best friend. He is extremely traumatized by it and hurt by it, and certainly hasn't been emotionally well over this whole thing.
DIMILLO maintains without a doubt, he told me, that his client did not start that fire, but rather fled in hopes of finding help for his friend. The prosecution, of course, argues a different scenario here and claims, based on the boy's initial statements to police, he had to have been involved in starting the fire. The prosecution did not want to speak on camera with us at this time, but we, of course, will continue to keep you posted on this case. Live in the newsroom, Jen Shantz, News 4 at 6.